Hi guys, you see here I have this glass here, but you didn't see it through. So with that glass, I'll make it like this. I make a reticence light there at the top, and this is the bulb supposed to be. So I'm gonna use the add a mix shader here. Mix shader, and then make that this two is mixed together, and then I just made the, it's for transparent. Oh, see if this is for, oh, this is not the right one because it's now if you see, like, this is something it's very whitey. It's so white. I see with the glass that is too white if you see, but I'll make this in the volume, and now you see only with this, you see already that the transparent is very clear. It reflects almost of the, you see, it reflects almost of the, it's very white. It's so white. I see it's very white. That's from the Eevee, and it look like that. This is the back view, the front view for Eevee, and I'm gonna back to the shading render, and the shader to the surface. I'm gonna wait, but see, it's turned that this one is turning into, you'll never see it at all anymore. It got back to that color. So with that, we'll try to mix this BSDF to it doesn't. And there you'll see that the shader, now it's okay. So that's how you gonna mix with that. And I hope that you gonna get this notes, because very important. The notes look like this. It's quite messy labyrinth, but if you see that is pink, it means to say that it's all wrong. So you see already here that is all okay, and then now I can attach that one in there, and now this is now one light with this, and that, and then join together, and you'll see that it's one light. See, no matter how you gonna change with that, it's still there. The bulb looks different in Eevee. It's because yeah, it's because of my background that is a little bit gray. And yeah, that's it, guys. And just remember with how it looked like. And this is now my this is I will say this word. This is how to make bulb light. Also because you know to make bulb light. And you see it here. This is how to make a bulb light. And I hope that you will understand how it works with everything, because it's all the material that you see here. It's material 169. It is from the bronze here, but the glass is different and they are all mixed together. So get that yeah, the nodes from the lights, I mean from the glass, from the first nodes. And that's it. That's it. I hope you gonna consider me to subscribe, and we'll see you next time once again. Don't forget to like and comment.